The rains always bring new life to northern Kenya. Animals everywhere start new families, and there's a sudden increase in the number of young animals around. Impala fawns can walk within an hour of being born, and they can run and dodge trouble within half a day. They'd proved way too nimble for the cubs during the last rainy season. But Toki and Sambu now had a whole lot more experience and speed on their side. Because of the unique relationship we had with Toki and Sambu, I was able to move in close to share with them this enormously significant event. I had to keep pinching myself to realize that the cubs were now all but living wild, and yet they allowed me to approach them even at this sensitive moment.
It's a really weird mixture of emotions, because whilst it's always upsetting to see anything killed, especially a young animal, having spent so much time with these cheetahs and frankly hoping that they're going to be successful, this is such a major, major leap towards independence.
It may sound crazy, but their success gave me an overwhelming feeling of pride.